In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use star codes in Roblox to unlock amazing offers. Let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe this channel, and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. First, go to the home page and open Roblox. Once you're on the main page, click on the Drop Blocks button. As you can see, my balance here is 20.1 thousand Robux. If you'd like to get this Drop Blocks, just comment your username below. Now scroll down and you'll notice the Add a Star Code option. Click on it and a box will appear where you can enter your star code. For example, I'll type in mermaid. After clicking Add, I'll try purchasing a $200 Robux package, and guess what? It will only cost me $50. Simply select your account, click on Buy, and your new Robux balance will update right here. If this offer doesn't work for you, don't worry. Leave a comment, and I'll share the latest star codes with you. And that's it. That's how you can easily use star codes in Roblox to save money and get the best deals.